Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo searches for his lost notebook in a wide field covered in tall grass. The field stretches far in every direction, making it hard to know where to begin. He realizes that searching randomly could take too long and waste time. A new word becomes important: systematic. Systematic means doing something in a planned, organized, step-by-step way. Timo divides the field into smaller sections in his mind. He carefully searches one section at a time, moving in straight lines. He checks each area fully before moving on to the next. At last, he finds a notebook hidden beneath the grass. Timo remembers that being systematic means working in an organized way, and this helps him solve problems more efficiently during his adventures.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit VocabCartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.